action. What's up, everybody?
Yeah.
How you doing?
As you can see on our screen is our elf.
Our elf came today, right? Finally, huh? It looked like he went to space. Pretty cool, huh? Our elf's name is Snoop because he's super snoopy and likes to get into things. But, what did he bring you for your birthday, Ren? What did he bring you for your birthday?
A elf on the shelf. This pokey.
What did the elf on the shelf bring you for your birthday?
A pokey.
He brought you a Pokeball
And some pies.
and
Some packs.
some Vivid Voltage. Packs. Awesome. So we're gonna open up a few packs. Figure we would share our elf with you. He's pretty cool. And because he missed Ren's birthday last year, Ren's birthday is after Christmas, let's just say. And he brought him some gifts, right? So come here. All right. So we're gonna start with our. How about let's start with our Pokeball, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
There's like coins in there because I was shaking it before the video.
Oh, I do hear a coin too.
Yeah, there might be
Ooh,
coins.
all right, let's see what we got. Oh, there's 3 packs in here. And we got Burning Shadows, Evolutions, and Sun and Moon. So we got 2 chances for Charizard today. Awesome.
Charizard.
All right, what's the coin?
The screen.
Sweet. All right. All right, let's start off with, bless you. Let's do evolutions last. Here, stand a little closer to this so you can be in the shot, all right?
So Snoop can't talk, so he's not really going to talk inside the video.
Yeah, Snoop's not going to talk.
He's just going to lay there.
Yeah. All right, let's start with the Sun and Moon, okay? All right. We have a Fomantis, Cosmog, Roggenrola, Sandygast, Caterpie. Ooh, our reverse holo is a Stuffle, which I think is really cool with the stars. And our rare is a Hariyama.
Man.
Yeah, it's okay.
Energy.
A double colorless energy, a Granbull, and a Metapod. All right. On to the next pack. We're going to do Burning Shadows. Burning Shadows. All right. All right. We have a Ladybug, Caterpie. Getting all the bugs, huh? Sandygast, Venipede, Sneasel, Tangrowth. That's the reverse holo. And Crabominal. Oh, I bet Snoop doesn't like Crabominal. Crabominal. I can't say it. Crabominable, like the abominable snowman. Yeah. Pretty cool. Energy. A Gloom. And a Seviper. Oh, one more. Alana. Trainer. All right. Let's go to our one of Daddy's favorite sets, XY Evolutions. Come on, baby. Maybe Snoop will give us some luck. We want that Charizard. Want another one, right?
Yeah.
We already pulled one.
I want a reverse holo Charizard.
Yeah, that'd be really cool too. All right, we got an energy. Well, Ren and I are also trying to collect the whole set of evolutions. So we started a binder, and we have, as you can see here, we have a full booster box. So we're gonna do a full booster box opening soon, and try to complete our set, right, Ren?
Yeah.
All right, that'll be our special when we get to 100 subscribers on our YouTube channel. That's what we'll do, right?
So
We'll open up the
hit
booster
that
box.
subscribe button.
Yeah.
We can get
So hit the subscribe button so we can finish our evolution set, right, dude?
Yeah.
All right. Growlithe, Ghastly, Charmander. It's one of Daddy's favorites.
It's not reverse.
Nope, we already have the reverse hollow. Rattata, Ta. Ooh, I like that. The Zapdos reverse hollow.
Ooh, that's
I don't think we have that yet.
no.
And a Starmie. Wah, wah, wah. We also got a Nidorino, like me Nidorino, and a Super Potion,
Trainer.
followed by a Brock's Grit. All right. So we'll put these over in our
Come on, Snoop. Use your magic.
yeah.
Get some luck.
Come on, Snoop. Use your magic. We need some luck. So we'll put these over in the evolutions box, so we can when we go through. All right, we're gonna do Vivid Voltage now. Try to get that chunky chew.
Yeah. Rainbow chunky chew.
How awesome would that be? Move over in the frame. How awesome would that be if we pulled the Rainbow Pikachu, huh?
Yeah.
We already have the Chunky Chew VMAX.
Yeah.
We like them chunky, don't we? All right.
Pikachu.
All right. We got Oshawott, Duskull, Ferroseed, Riolu. Slide over a little closer to me, buddy boy. There you go. See that right there? So you can see yourself in the picture. Sandile, Charmander Reverse Hollow. You just said Charmander Reverse Hollow. Crazy.
Again?
Awesome. That's a good card. Oh, and we got a Lucario as our rare.
Aw, man.
Yeah, it's okay. Energy, Zebstrika, Dusclops, and
Trainer.
Beauty. Wah, wah, wah.
Wait, what about the
Oh, you want to give the card away? All right, we're going to give some codes away too, guys. There you go. First one to it gets it. All right, let's open our next pack of Vivid Voltage.
This is our chance of getting the Rainbow Pikachu.
Well, we also have two ETBs, Elite Trainer boxes, one right here and one Snoop's hiding behind. So we have some more chances, right?
Yeah.
But we'll do those on another video.
Yeah, maybe when we get to like
200 subscribers?
200.
All right, 200 subscriber special will be the Vivid Voltage Elite Trainer box.
So we could do the 100 subscribers challenge. 100 subscribers marathon first.
That's the Evolutions booster box, right?
And then we could do these two on 200 subscribers
Well,
special.
let's not get crazy. We got to leave some for some other videos, huh? Right, guys?
Yeah. We're gonna,
All right, let's get into it.
This one for an actual
Gotcha, yeah.
300.
All right, Weedle. Whoops, sorry, I bumped the camera. Drillbur, I love that. I love that card.
Wait. Don't we want to get to 10,000?
Yeah, we got to start small though, right? Start at 100, then we'll go to 200, then we'll go to 201, then we'll go to 500, and then maybe 1,000. We'll see.
The Clefairy.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
It's actually that's the second form of
Oh, you're so smart. Whalmer. Dynamo. Our reverse hollow is a Sableye. And it's something. Drapian V. Awesome.
Yeah.
At least we got a hit. Energy.
Snoop.
Go Goat. Ferrothorn. And a Dusclops. All right. There's the card. Get you some TCGO Pokemon Online.
Yeah.
All right. Last pack magic. All right. Here we go.
Come on, Rainbow Pikachu. Come on, Rainbow Pikachu.
This pack doesn't want to open. It's like Pikachu doesn't want to be found. Show the card. All right, here's the card, guys. Oop, slow down. There you go. All right. Get you some Pokemon. All right. Mudbray. Joltik. Weedle. Tallow. Sandile. A Phanpy Reverse Hollow. And a Magearna Hollow.
Energy.
Trumbeak. And a Nessa. And a Krokorok to close it out. All right. Well, no Chunky Pikachu today, but we just want to say thanks to our buddy Snoop for bringing Ren some birthday gifts and for finally coming back to our house, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, guys. You all have a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below.
So you never know when we do another video.
Wait. So they never know when they do another video? What? So they always know when we do another video. All right, guys.
Peace out.
Peace.